Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I pan-seared my salmon. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also, to turn on your post notifications, you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also guys, please do go and follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. Now let us cook. So guys, here we have our salmon. Now I'm gonna be using a paper towel and I'm gonna pat dry just the excess liquid from there. Now I'm gonna be drizzling just a teaspoon of oil, and this is what's gonna help the season to stick to that salmon. Now we're going to be flipping that salmon over and we're going to repeat the same process. Now guys, we're going to be combining our season. There I have 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salmon seasoning, and dried parsley flakes. Now here I am sprinkling all these good season over the salmon, and guys, this is going to be so flavorful. Oh my goodness. Now look at that. Look at that, guys. Pure seasoned, well seasoned, okay? Just amazing. So okay guys, in a skillet on medium to high heat, I add oil and I'm gonna allow that to heat. Now I'm adding my salmon. Now we're gonna be searing this for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. So guys, if you realize your salmon is burning and it's not fully cooked, you can go ahead and finish that off in the oven. I'm not sure if you guys actually realize that I have so much salmon recipes on this channel. I absolutely love salmon so much, guys. It's so packed in nutrients. Plus, it's also advised to have seafood dish at least twice per week. Luckily, it's one of those dishes that I never get tired of preparing. You can prepare your salmon in so many ways, guys. You can pan fry it, you can roast it, you can broil it, you can grill it, you can poach it, you can bake it in foil, like that foil method. I absolutely love that method, especially with vegetables. Oh my goodness. There's so much different ways, guys, to cook this delicious fish that's packed with omega-3 and a whole list of other nutrients, guys. So I'm just going to be flipping it and I'm just going to repeat the same process. You're just going to cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes. And as I mentioned before, if you realize that your fish is burning, guys, go ahead and finish it off in the oven. Okay, it has little to no connective tissue, so it's really easy to prepare and it's really easy to cook. Now here we have the final product, our pan-seared salmon fillet. Oh my goodness. Look at all that deliciousness. Oh my goodness, guys, that's just all flavor right there. Okay, just flavor. So for me, I went ahead and I did some mashed potato, garlic mashed potato to be exact. I also went ahead and I sauteed some vegetables, green beans and red pepper, and that was it. Like, that was my dinner, guys. Like, amazing, just so good. I do hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.